actually use, and not like speed can. Well, I do sometimes use speed candy, but not that often. I don't be like, oh my god, it's speed candy. It's my life. Oh yeah, Gigi, I saw you. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't because I don't want Gigi to be like, oh no, she saw me. She's probably so mad at me. Guys, I just skipped that floor. Nothing really happened. Only Sassy died on purpose, and there's a bandage, and I don't know who took it. I think it was Coco. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to you when there's something exciting on the floor, or when I'm at floor 4. Here we go in the elevator now. Let's see what Sandy got inside of his shop because I'm excited to see what it is. Let's see. Okay, nothing I need. Here we go. I just almost done the next one away. When we got in the elevator, who told? But I honestly don't know. So let's just take a copy. Okay guys, so I'm on the elevator and I thought we were gonna leave at this floor because I don't know how much minutes it is. Thank you so much for watching this video.